These hand-drawn 2D doodle explainer channels are pulling in millions of views and earning over 10,000 a month. So I decided to steal the format and see if Claude and CapCut could pull it off. First, I need a solid video idea. What makes these channels stand out is their storytelling. The ideas are genuinely unique. If I don't nail the idea, the video will flop no matter how good the editing is. This is where Claude AI comes in. I built a prompt from start to finish specifically for creating these videos. All you have to do is copy and paste it into Claude. It'll ask you to choose a niche. Either pick a number or type in your own. Claude will then hand you 5 video ideas to choose from, or you can run with your own concept. From there, it writes you a complete script. Next, generate a voiceover using ElevenLabs, or record your own if you prefer. Once you've got the audio, download it and head over to this site called TurboScribe. Click Transcribe File, upload your voiceover, and hit Transcribe. This tool gives you a time-stamped transcript of your audio, and you get 3 free transcriptions a day. Copy that time-stamped transcript and paste it back into Claude, then hit Enter. Claude will generate an image prompt for every timestamp. Now open Google Flow and start a new project. Turn off agent mode, select the Nano Banana 2 model, set the size to 16:9, and choose 1 image per prompt. You can paste prompts in one at a time and generate images, but that'll eat up hours. Instead, grab this Chrome extension that lets you paste all your prompts at once, separated by line breaks, and generate them in bulk. It's a massive time saver. Download and save each image labeled with its exact timestamp so it matches the voiceover later during editing. Now for the editing. Drop your voiceover and images onto the timeline. Trim and position each image to line up with its timestamp. Then export your video. Head back to Claude. It'll already be prompting you for the video metadata. Just type yes. You'll also get 5 prompts for thumbnail images. Copy those and generate your thumbnails in Flow. I'm going to keep testing this workflow and see how far it can actually go, whether it can genuinely hit those million view numbers. If you want to see the results, make sure you're subscribed because I'll be posting an update soon.